Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the context object with React. Create context, and you export it so other files can import it. Next, make the provider the top-level wrapper and pass a value object or the state hook result. This exposes live data. If you use reducer, initialize it now so your value is stable. Once done, import the context in a consumer file and prepare to read or update value via hooks. Do not delay wiring the provider into your component tree. You will consume the context using useContext, context, inside function components, which gives you direct access to the provided value. Make sure to expose dispatcher functions or setter methods from the provider so children can update state without importing internals. Structure context into logical slices, auth, theme, data, to keep updates scoped and performant. Once done, memoize values with use memo and callbacks with use callback to prevent needless re-renders. You finish by optimizing. Wrap the provider value in use memo and provide stable callbacks with use callback so children only re-render when necessary. Then, test your consumers by dispatching updates and confirming the UI reacts as expected. If things go wrong, make sure the provider actually wraps the components that consume the context and check referential equality. Unstable objects recreate and cause unnecessary renders. Once fixed, your context API implementation will be predictable, maintainable, and efficient for the whole app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.